Good morning, students. In the previous class, we studied about the wave equation, and today we study about solution of wave equation. It is convenient to use the methods of complex variables analysis for the solution of wave equations. The time dependence of the field is taken to be e power minus iota omega t, so that E is equals to Es e power minus iota omega t. This is the electric field, and it may be noted that the physical electric field is obtained by taking the real part of the equation first. Real part of equation first. Since it is a complex quantity, so the real part of the equation first, representing the physical electric field. Now we know that del 2E minus mu sigma del E by del T minus epsilon into mu del 2E by del T2 is equals to 0. By using equation first and second, we get by dropping common factor e power minus iota omega t, we get del 2 Es plus omega square epsilon mu Es plus iota omega sigma mu Es is equals to 0. This equation obtained, if we put the values of del 2E, del E by del T and del 2E by del T2 in the equation second by using equation first. Now spatial electric field Es depends on the space coordinates, and that means Es is equals to Es function of r, and we can write it Es is equals to E naught into e power iota k r, iota k dot r. Es is equals to E naught into e power iota k dot r, and here k is propagation wave vector, and this will be equal to 2 pi upon lambda n cap, or we can say k is equals to omega upon v n cap, and here n cap is unit vector along k, and r is position vector from origin, and v is phase velocity of the wave. So equation first can be written in the form, if we put the value of Es in the equation first, then we get E is equals to E naught e power iota k dot r e power minus iota omega t is equals to E naught into e power iota k dot r minus omega t. This is the equation for electric field. Here E naught is a complex amplitude and is constant in space and time. E naught is complex amplitude and is constant in space and time. It is important to note that when field vectors is in form 4, equation 4, this is the equation for the electric field. So when the field vector is in form 4, equation 4, that is operation of grade, divergence, curl on field vectors is equivalent to grade is equal to iota k, divergence or del dot is equals to iota k dot, and curl is equals to del cross is equal to iota k cross.